Hey everyone, my name is Tim, and today I'll be talking about tags and custom fields. What are they? What should each be used for? What are the benefits of each? And how I can get started or even start again? Let's jump in. Firstly, let's start with tags. In ActiveCampaign, a tag is a label you can apply to your contacts to categorize them and track their behavior. They're essentially keywords or phrases that help you organize and segment your contact lists for more targeted communication. Tags are used for data that can quickly change. Since you can easily filter your list via tags, they're also great for segmentation. So, what can they be used for? As I just said, they can be used for segmentation. You can group contacts based on their interests, preferences, or interactions with your campaigns. Secondly, you can use tags to initiate automated workflow. You can trigger an automation when a specific tag is added. Thirdly, you can use them for personalization using conditional content. You can tailor your email content based on specific tags. Finally, you can use tags to track the effectiveness of your campaigns by analyzing the tags associated with the contacts who convert or engage with your content. So, what are the benefits of using them? Using tags has several benefits, including the following. Flexibility. You can easily apply and remove tags as needed. Organization. You can use them to keep your contact list well structured and easily searchable. Targeted communication. Use tags as part of your segmentation strategy to deliver personalized content to the right audience. Improved engagement. Leverage them to increase email open rates and click-through rates by sending relevant content to segmented groups. Some example use cases for tagging are contacts who have purchased a particular product, like what product they're interested in, their engagement level, tagging contacts who continuously interact with your emails or your website, tagging customers who have purchased a membership or have spent over a certain amount. By effectively leveraging tags, you can create personalized shopping experiences, foster customer loyalty, drive repeat purchases, and gain valuable insights. Now, let's jump into the platform and see how you can view, create, and manage your tags. To get to the Tag Manager, you need to go to Contacts on the left-hand side of your screen. Now we're here, we just need to click Tags under Manage. Now we're at the Tag Manager. Now we're here, let's create a tag. To do this, we just need to click the Add Tag on the top right-hand side. The Add Tag pop-up will be displayed. This is where we create tags. When creating a tag, it's essential to use a naming convention. In this example, we'll be using customer type VIP. Another example could be interest cats. Once you've finished adding the tag, we then click Save. That's our tag created. If you haven't created tags using the naming convention, the good news is you can rename existing tags, merge tags, or even delete them. To edit the name, click Edit. Then you can update the name or even add a description to your tag. Once you've finished, you just then need to click Save. You can merge or delete your tags by clicking the downward arrow next to Edit and selecting the option from the drop-down. Now, let's look at custom fields. In ActiveCampaign, custom fields are better suited to capture permanent data relative to the content, which is not easily changed. For example, you would use a custom field to capture our contact's name, phone number, birth date, and more. Custom fields also have the advantage of creating personalization tags, so you can insert the data in the custom fields into your campaigns. So, what can a custom fields do and be used for? You can use them for capturing specific details. Gather information like birthdays, job titles, company size, interests, purchase history, preferences, lead score, or any other data relevant to your business. Segmentation and targeting. Group contacts based on custom field values to send highly targeted campaigns and personalized message. Personalization. Use the custom field data to dynamically insert personalized content into your emails, SMS messages, and landing pages. Lead scoring. assigning points to contacts based on custom field data to verify high-value comments. Automation triggers. Trigger automations based on changes to custom field values, such as sending a welcome email when a new contact is added with a specific custom field value. And finally, reporting and analytics. Analyze custom field data to gain insights into the audience and measure campaign performance. So the benefits are using custom fields. So these are the benefits. Custom fields can be used for enhanced personalization, delivering tailored content that resonates with individual contacts, can significantly improve engagement and conversion rates. Improve segmentation. By segmenting your audience based on specific interests or behaviors, it allows you to send highly relevant messages and offers. Increase efficiency. By automating processes based on custom field values, you can save time and resources. And finally, deeper insights. Analyzing customer field data can help you better understand your customers and make data-driven decisions. By effectively leveraging custom fields, you can create more personalized and engaging customer experiences, leading to an increased loyalty and revenue. Now, let's jump into the platform again to see how we can view, create, and manage your custom fields. To access custom fields, you need to click the contacts on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, the same as tags, under Manage, we then click Fields. In the Manage Fields section of your account, you have the option to manage account, contact, and deal fields. Depending on your plan level, you may only see contact fields. So what are those each field types for? Account fields are where you're able to store business information. Deal fields are where you're able to create information that you want to store for the deals if you're using the ActiveCampaign CRM product. And contacts is where you're able to add the contact information, the things which is valuable for your contacts. Today, I'm going to focus on custom contact fields, but the process is the same for all the other field types. To create a field, we just need to click Add Field on the top right-hand side of the screen. You will get a pop-up. This will allow you to create your field. To get started, we just need to add the field name and then choose the group we want to add. For example, today we're going to create a birthday field. Once you've named the field and selected the group, you must choose the field type from the drop-down. It's important to select the correct field type for your field as it cannot change once it's created. For date fields, we always recommend make sure that you use date or date and time. We need to make sure that we are going to select date for this one, and then once we fill that information, we then click Add. So, there you have it. Tags and custom fields are your secret weapons for organizing, segmenting, and personalizing your communication in ActiveCampaign. By strategically understanding and using their unique strengths, you can unlock a new level of engagement and effectiveness in your email marketing. Look at your existing contacts. Identify areas where your tags or custom fields could make the difference and start organizing your data. Remember, the key to success with tags and custom fields is to start small. Experiment, refine your approach over time. By doing so, we'll be well on our way to creating a more personalized and impactful customer experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.